In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, in Asana. Turning on 2FA adds a powerful extra layer of protection to your account. So even if someone guesses your password, they still can't get in without a second verification step. This is especially important if you manage projects, teams, or sensitive files in Asana. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see, and share a few simple tips so you feel confident the moment you turn it on. Start by opening your settings. In the top right corner of Asana, click your profile picture. A small menu will drop down. From there, select Settings. If you're using the desktop app, the layout is the same. Just look for your profile image in the same spot. If your browser window is narrow and you don't see it right away, try widening the window or scrolling slightly. Once you click Settings, a new window or panel will appear with several tabs along the top. Next, go to the Account tab. It lives across the top of that window and controls your core security and personal account options. Be sure you're on account and not on profile or notifications, since those handle different preferences. If your organization uses an Asana business or enterprise plan, you might also see some admin-related notes here, but your personal security settings, including 2FA, will still be located in this account area. Now, enable 2FA. In the Account tab, look for the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click Enable. At this point, Asana may ask you to confirm your password as a quick security check. That's normal. After you click Enable, Asana will guide you with on-screen instructions to finish setup. Keep your phone or verification method handy and make sure you're using a device you trust. If Asana provides recovery or backup options, store them somewhere secure and private so you can access your account if you ever change devices. When everything is complete, you'll see a confirmation that two-factor authentication is active. If you ever need to review or adjust your settings, return to the same two-factor authentication section in the Account tab. That's it. You opened Settings from your profile picture, went to the Account tab, and clicked Enable under two-factor authentication. With 2FA on, your Asana account is significantly more secure and you'll have greater peace of mind every time you sign in. Thanks for watching and enjoy the added protection.